Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the failure so you can fix it fast. Save a duplicate project and open that copy. This protects your original. Next, switch Premiere to software only rendering in file project settings so GPU drivers aren't interfering. This rules out driver issues. Then export a short 5-10 second trim test sequence with minimal tracks and effects to reproduce the error. Once done, you'll know whether the problem is project-wide, a media asset, or a renderer conflict. You now hunt down the culprit inside the timeline. Replace original files with properly encoded transcodes like DNxHR or ProRes to eliminate codec conflicts. Proxies help too. Disable third-party plugins and turn off effects one by one. If export succeeds after disabling a filter, that effect was the problem. Also verify sequence settings. Frame rate, resolution, and color space must match source clips and export preset. Once you identify the offending clip or effect, you can re-render or remove it and prepare for a clean export. You're ready to export and finish. Clear the media cache and restart Premiere, then export using Media Encoder or export media with match source, high bitrate to preserve settings. If a full export fails, export individual tracks or small exported segments and stitch them together. This isolates stubborn areas. As a last resort, export an XML/AAF, import into a fresh project, and relink media. This often bypasses hidden corruption. If errors persist, try the software-only setting again or transcode remaining problem files before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.